Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make your Wix website private. Now, there's no one inherent settings that says explicitly to make your Wix website private, but there are a couple of options that could give you basically the same functionality of a private website. So the first option, obviously, is to unpublish your site. And if you have your site published like this, you can view the site here. And if you want to unpublish your site, you can just hover over the publish here, and then you can click on unpublish site. So while your site is unpublished, your viewers won't be able to see your website. They won't be able to visit it, and you can see your website won't be visible to visitors. And also, you can always publish it again in the editor. Now, while your website is unpublished, obviously, no one can see it, not even moderators or collaborators. Well, they can see it, but they won't see it live. They will be able to see it on the admin views, but the general public will just see that this website is down, like it's off. And while it's off and down like this, you can still modify and mess around with the Wix website editor here. So in a sense, it's just putting it in maintenance, right? So it's essentially private. If I reload the page here, you'll see that the website will still work. This is just the Wix website editor, nonetheless. Give it a second to load. Now you see that this one still works, but if I click on, if there was a link, you can see now that when I hover over publish, there's no link or to view in the site anymore because it's not even on, right? Now, there's also another method that we can use to secure our site or make it private. But first off, let's publish this. So now when I publish this, now the site will be no longer private. It'll be on and it'll be open for the public, for everyone to see. And if you don't want to unpublish your site and you just want to have it still be live for whatever reason, the other option we can do instead of unpublishing the site is that we password protect the entire site. So if anyone wants to go to this site, they'll need to enter in a password first before they can get in. So the way we can do this is by clicking on settings, and on settings, you have to go to site password. On site password, just click on it, and then you can see that we can change who can access this site. It can either be everyone or password holders. So it'll kind of be like YouTube private videos. If you pay attention to YouTube private videos, you can click on the button to request access. So it can only be to certain someone's, right? So let's just take it to be password holders here, right? And let's make the site password to be 123, and let's click on save. Now, if we try to go to this view site settings, it'll probably prompt us into entering a password first. Sometimes it might take a little bit to refresh, so I just did the change there earlier. All right, I haven't published it, right? I'm gonna publish this. Right, now I'm gonna view the site again. It might take a little bit, give it a second. Yeah, there you go. Now, when you first enter in like that, it'll prompt you to enter a password like this, which is 123, and continue the site. It might be laggy. There you go. This part already appears, and now there you go.